Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So if you're watching this, you're probably in the market to maybe get an Echo Auto, or maybe you're interested in purchasing one. So I have had it and I've been using it for a little bit of time now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get it set up, what it looks like and what it can do. At the end of the video, I'll give a brief little explanation of what it's been like to use this thing for a month. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Alright, so I love technology. It's one of the things I make videos on my channel here, is all things technology and other kinds of things that I'm into. But this newest thing is the Echo Auto. Now I have been in the whole Amazon ecosystem. I know that's not really their term, that's Apple's term, but I have been using Amazon products pretty much since they came out. I've got several. I always hate it whenever you're watching videos on Amazon products and they say the word and your devices go off inside your house. So I'm going to put the term on the screen. But yeah, I have several of those type of devices in our house and we use them on an everyday basis. Whenever it's dinner time, I'm using them to announce that it's dinner time. I'm using it to see what the weather is going to be like, and we use it to drop into our kids' rooms and to communicate that way. But we use those Amazon Echo devices on a regular basis.
A few moments later.
Sorry about that, my wife walked in while I was filming. But Amazon reached out to me and gave me a special invitation to be one of the first to try out these Echo Autos. And so we're gonna see what's in the box here. So when they sent it to me, it comes in two different boxes like this. This is the Echo Auto air vent mount. And I'm assuming the actual Echo device is in here. So let's unbox this and see what we got. And then we'll take it out to my car and see how it fits. It connects with Bluetooth, and hopefully it's just like Kit on Knight Rider. This is gonna be the closest I'm gonna get to that.
Knight Rider.
Okay, so now that we have all of the components unboxed, let's take this out to my car and see how we install it and see how it connects. Okay, I'm in the car now, putting on my sunglasses because it's bright out here, but I'm gonna have my son here with me. He's gonna hold the camera while I video this and we install this in there. But first, he's gotta finish eating his sandwich. Come on, I'm trying to make a YouTube video here and you're eating.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, one of the first things I did notice was that the adapter that they give you has two plug-ins here, and this only needs one, so they give you another spot there to hook up maybe somewhere where you're going to charge up your cell phone. So I'm going to plug this in. Fortunately, I drive a Ford Fusion and it's got a hook up right underneath the radio dash, so I'm sure this is going to be different for all of you guys who have different kinds of vehicles. The vent mounts are going to be different for everybody, but this is what I drive and this is what it's going to look like in there. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this in. A little blue light comes on once you do get it hooked up to kind of show you that it does have some power going to it. Okay, so here's the part that hooks into the vent. This right here is magnetic, which then this will be hooked onto there. So this magnetic end to the other magnetic end, just like that. And then we'll mount this part here into the vent, just like that. Okay, something else I noticed here, this actually turns, which makes it nice because the way it originally was, it wasn't gonna hook in straight like that. It was gonna be all cockeyed like that, but I was able to rotate this thing here so that it'll fit on there straight. Okay, so one end of this is plugged into the adapter. Now I'm getting ready to plug this end into the Echo device. Bam, and we have power.
Hello. Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Okay, so I already have the Alexa device downloaded on my phone from having all the other Amazon Echo devices, and if you don't have it, go ahead and download it now. Okay, so now I got the Echo device synced up to my phone, and my phone is synced up to my car. So that's how the connections are. And so far it works. So let's give it a try so you guys can see. And then I'm going to turn up the volume in my car so you can hear it real well. Okay, so you can see that it's synced up here, iPhone. It says that the Amazon in sync with it. And then it just went off when I said her name. What time is it?
The time is 3:57 p.m.
Looks like my clock is off a little bit here. So what is the temperature?
Right now, it's 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 68 degrees.
Okay, and we are sitting in the sun, so it says 109. So the temperature in the car is off, but this one was correct. All right, now we're going to test out the music and see if she can play some music. Play some instrumental music.
Okay, the station, Instrumental Chill, on Amazon Music.
Okay, so she seems to be working properly. It's loud enough. I mean, it's going to be as loud as your speakers are in your car. But some of the things that you can try with it is you can ask her to maybe start Audible if you're reading an audio book, or you can say add bananas to my shopping list if you use your Amazon device to do your shopping with, or you can ask her what's on your calendar, maybe play the news. Sometimes I use it for the news or sports. The weather, I use it for weather all the time, so you can ask her what the weather is going to be like, or maybe even what your commute is going to be like on your way to work. She'll tell you that. So it's just like any other a device, Echo device that you have at home. It's just right here in your car, and it syncs up with your phone, so it's always online when you turn on your car. Okay, one of the new features that I just discovered on here was I wanted to find out where the closest coffee shop was at, and I had to go into my settings on my phone and set the privacy to allow location services always, and therefore she can then discover what locations or what you're needing, because she can dive into your phone, see the locations that way. My settings were not on that before, so whenever you buy this, you have to turn that on. So where's the closest McDonald's?
Here are a few nearby ones. 1. McDonald's.
So this is as close as I'm going to get to being like Knight Rider. This is now my Kit. I wish I could change the name of my device to Kit, so instead of using the default name that they give me, because if I could, it would be Kit. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a real world look at what this device does and what kind of benefits or features that you will get with it if you purchase this. So okay, so now that I've been using this Echo Auto for 1 month now, I will admit there's been a few times that I've had some hiccups with it. Okay, it's not seamless, it's not perfect by any means. There's been a few times that I've been using it and it just loses connection for no reason. My phone will be sitting right next to me, and I'll be traveling down the road, and then it'll give the notification that it's offline. So it's not perfect, but it has worked. I mean, what I have used it for the most has been just to play music with. I haven't used it for directions or anything like that. I'm still using Siri on my iPhone. But when it came to wanting to listen to a song, it's nice to be able to just cue it up, voice activated, versus having to dive into my phone while I'm driving, or having the passenger do it. It's been pretty nice about just telling her what song to play, and then it just comes on. So that aspect of it has been great. The aspect of it disconnecting was a little bit frustrating, but it hasn't done it that often. I would say probably, I don't know, once every few days, but it does connect usually when I stop the car and then I get back on the road again. So that's my experience so far of using it for a month, but for the price, you can't beat it. I mean, Amazon's making their stuff pretty reasonable now, pretty affordable. So if you're looking at get one, just go ahead and get one. I think it'll be a neat little gadget for you to have in your car. And if it's anything like any of the other Amazon products, Amazon is constantly improving their Echo devices. So I'm sure this thing will get better with time. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, throw a thumbs up on it. Maybe subscribe to this channel if you liked it. And I'll see you guys back in the next one. Thanks.